Unconstitutional closures. A panel of federal judges says gun stores should have been allowed to stay open during the pandemic shutdown as essential businesses. Gun rights advocates are applauding this ruling. A victory for gun shop owners in LA and Ventura Counties. A panel of judges from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals ruled that shutting down gun shops, along with bars, restaurants, and a multitude of other businesses, was unconstitutional.
It is a ruling that I think it's a correct ruling.
Jonathan Solomon and his wife own REDSTONE Firearms in Burbank, a training, consulting, and education firearms center.
When it came down to the pandemic and this non-essential, essential, that whole thing was kind of convoluted. During the main portion of the pandemic, it's absolutely important, and this is my opinion, that everyone has the right to protect themselves because we had some folks that were very desperate.
At the outset of the pandemic, LA and Ventura Counties categorized gun shops as non-essential businesses, which is why they were not allowed to stay open. Gun rights groups like the NRA filed legal challenges and lost in the lower courts. This new decision has gun rights advocates praising the ruling.
Clearly, these both counties, Ventura and Los Angeles counties, violated their Second Amendment, the Second Amendment rights of the citizens there by closing the gun stores and denying them access to firearms during a critical period.
We are extremely pleased with the court's decision. You know, a constitutional guarantee that can be eliminated for weeks or months on end at any given time is really no guarantee at all.
Loyola law professor Jessica Levinson.
I think part of what this ruling shows is how important President Trump's nominees to the federal bench really are. This was a conservative decision. We have a 3-judge panel, 2 judges who are nominated by President Trump, 1 by President Reagan. And what we have here is the Ninth Circuit overturning lower court decisions that ruled in favor of the government, saying it is in fact okay to shut down non-essential places, including gun shops.
The decision could end up before the Supreme Court.
Hopefully we're not constantly living under a pandemic and we don't have these questions that are continuously arising about states and local governments shutting down businesses, but it raises serious constitutional questions.
We reached out to the LA County Health Department and did not hear back. Ventura County Health told Reuters they were disappointed by the decision and are evaluating which steps to take next.